How to create a fake Instagram account without a phone number. This is a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to do that, so by the end of this video you should be able to do it. First, you'll need to open Instagram. Tap create new account at the bottom of the screen. It will ask for your phone number. Ignore it and tap the option below, sign up with an email address. Then go to your internet browser on your phone and go to this website, Temp Email. It will provide you with an email address. You'll just need to copy it, then go back to Instagram, enter it, and next. Now you'll need to return to the temporary email to get your confirmation code sent by Instagram. You'll just need to scroll down, and here is your code. I'm going to copy it. Now you'll enter your name and continue with the steps. And that's how you can create a fake Instagram account without a phone number.